Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and these are my gorgeous throw pillow covers from CARRIE Home. I have these pillow covers in the 18 by 18 inch plaid gingham grayish green color. These pillows can go with such a wide variety of home designs. I'm not sure what my style is, somewhere between cottage and farmhouse, but I love how sweet and traditional these look. Even my husband loves them. They are well made. They're made with 100% polyester, but you could have told me they were cotton and I would believe you because they are nice and soft, not scratchy at all. They don't feel like canvas. They're a really nice, well-made pillow cover. I was able to put in my super stuffed pillow insert with no pulling on any seams or threads. Since these are polyester, they also are very easy to clean up if you spill, and they air dry really quick. You can machine wash these pillow covers on delicate, or you can hand wash them, and you can also put them on low in your dryer. CARRIE Home offers such a wide range of colors and designs that are sure to complement your home style. And I am 100% satisfied with the colors, the design, and the quality of these beautiful pillow covers, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.